My name is Chandra Saraf. I'm the Aquatech project manager for Cherry Flat Road Sewer Pump Station. The key considerations of this project is to cater thousands of lots across multiple new estates in the western growth region of Ballarat. Aquatech's solution for this project is 11 metre deep concrete wet well, 3200 in diameter, a 2.8 metre diameter, storage vessels length of 28 meters, and a customized switchboard.
So my name is Jordan Doherty. I'm the project manager from Spire. Spire are the lead consultant, lead engineer for the Cherry Flat Road sewer pump stations. So the main goals for the Cherry Flat Road sewer project going ahead were to simply provide extra capacity to the network, and for any developments south of this Pinnacle pump station to be able to gravity feed to the new sewer pump station. So the success of the Cherry Flat Road sewer pump station can be attributed to a collaborative effort between Spire and Aquatech.